Namaste guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a object simply rotating about another object in SolidWorks. So let's start. First click on assembly and click OK. I am going to make all my parts in assembly mode. OK. So click on insert components, click on new part, select the front plane. After that press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. Draw a sphere as per your requirement. Escape. Trim this line, click OK, select this line, make it on construction, go to features, revolve post base, select this line, click OK. After that, select the top plane, click on sketch. Sorry, first you need to exit the sketch mode and edit assembly component mode. After that, select the top plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. Now, draw the path in which you want to move or rotate your small object. For example, this ellipse shape. Okay. Now, exit it. Now, right click on it, or you can just make another shape. For example, click on new part, front plane, press Ctrl plus 8. Let's make a smaller. Escape, trim the line, and revolve post base. Click OK. Exit. Right click on this part, click on hide component. Now select this component, click on mate and go to advanced mates. Now I want to use path mate. Okay, so to use that, click on clear selection. Now go here, select the second part, click on origin, and after that click on path mate and select this line. Remember, you can use path mate only if you select a point. So in my case, what I have done, I have selected the origin of the part. Okay, just in case, you can also make customized point by going to sketch and using this point. Okay, again it's up to you. Now right click on it, click on show components. Now I want to do animation on this to rotating about this path. Now to do that, click on SolidWorks add-in. Click on SolidWorks motion. After that, go to motion study. Click OK. Click OK. Now click on motion analysis. Click on motor. Here you notice something called path mate motor. This option will only arise when you have used correct path mate. OK. Now click on it. It is asking for the mate selection. So go your mate, select the path mate. Okay. Now it is asking for the speed. You can increase or decrease the speed as per your requirement. Here I have defined 10 mm per second. Click OK. Now if I click on calculate, you can see it is moving, but it is very slow. Now to increase its speed, simply right click on it, click on edit feature. Let's make it 100 mm per second. Cancel it. Click OK. Before I click on calculate, I highly recommend that you please check out my course link in description for better understanding how to do SolidWorks animation and motion analysis. This course is designed for beginners. Now click on calculate. You can see it's moving little fast but still not as that good. So let's make it edit feature 1000 mm per second. Click OK. Click on calculate. So here you can see it's moving now. So in that way you can make a number of animations. Now let's do some coloring part. Let's go downwards, click on blue color, this color, and select this one and select this part. Let's make it yellowish. Click OK. Now click here, select this view, right click on orientation, disable on it, and click on setting, increase the FPS to 60, click OK, and make it playback mid loop, move downwards, click OK, calculate it. Remember, it is calculating, that is the reason it looks little bit slow. But after it does calculation, now click on play. Now you will see it is a much better. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, make sure that you ask in comments. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.